What's going on, guys? This is Mr. Brothers here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the stock exhaust that comes with the Renegade versus the Yoshimura exhaust. So here you go. The first thing up is the stock exhaust. So this is what the exhaust looks like. It's kind of difficult to put on. And then right there is the exhaust plug when you wash it. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Alright guys, so that was the Yoshimura pipe on the Can Am Renegade 850. I definitely recommend it. Go and pick it up right now. So yeah, definitely, it's really good exhaust, very loud, high quality. And yeah, I'll show you a couple pictures of what the exhaust came in. It was quite a problem to get into. There's a bunch of installation on it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.